Welcome to Vansah, empowering better testing in Jira. In this video, we'll walk you through how to create and document a test case with steps, test data, and expected results inside a test folder. Let's get started. From your Jira menu, click on Vansah. Here, you can access all your test assets, including test folders, test cases, plans, reports, and more within your project. Navigate to your Test Cases tab to view your test repository. Next, choose the test folder where you want to create your new test case. Organizing your test cases into folders keeps your testing structured and easier to maintain across sprints or releases. Now, let's create a new test case. Click New Test Case to get started. Here, you'll give your test a clear and meaningful headline, which is the test case objective. Once done, click Save to create the test case. Now open the new test case to manage further details. From the main tab, you can update the test case description and define any preconditions that need to be met before execution. Additional test case properties can be managed from the panel on the right, giving you full control over every detail of your test. Now, let's add the steps for your test case. Click on the Test Script tab and then select Create New Test Step and Expected Result. In the Test Data field, you can specify any input values or configuration details required to perform this step. This might include usernames, passwords, environment variables, or any other information the tester needs to reproduce the scenario. Finally, enter the expected result to explain the intended behavior, and then click Save. And that's how you create and document a test case in Vansah Test Management for Jira. To learn more, visit our Vansah Help Center or explore other videos on our channel. Vansah, empowering teams to test smarter, faster, and together in Jira.